part 6 of draining. So it was at 60 then. Oh yeah, now it's at 60. Right. Yep, part 6 of going into first intermediate spin. Sorry, I had to quickly stop it for part 6. Here we go. First intermediate spin and 1 hour and 15 minutes left. It didn't take this long to wash because it detected that it was only a small load. So oh god, quite unbalanced. Oh god. Yeah, this is the new Hotpoint balancing system, where it doesn't do the crappy. It actually stops and then it will go the other way, and then it will for about 3 seconds or so, and then it will stop and then turn back the other way and redistribute again. There we go. If this doesn't work, then it will stop and do the Inderset style thing for about 3 times. Here we go. So it'll do this for about 3 times. If this fails, then it will slow down. I think it stops and it goes the other way. If that doesn't, you'll see what happens. But it will normally go the other way and then it will speed up slowly. It will try that. If this fails, oh no, it's going for it. Never mind. Whoa. Oh god, quite unbalanced. Not too bad though. Whoa. I'm surprised it went for that. It's quite impressive. I think it will shoot right up now. There we go. It'll speed up now. Pump on. Right, I'm going to be back in a minute because that's really annoying me. There's a bit of like smudge all over the glass. It's really irritating me. So I'm going to come back in a second. This video will still be on, but I'm just going to go and get the kitchen off right. Okay, we're slowing down now. Thank God you can't see it really well, but at the angle I am, it's really annoying. Come on. Nearly. There we go. Here we go. Let's just skip to rinse in a second. Go on to the first rinse. And as soon as it does, I'll pause it for part 7. Then you can go on and record it again for part 7. Here we go. See you in part 7.